Okay, this is going to be a short video on how to verify the checksum of a recently downloaded file. Now, the one I picked out was VirtualBox. I just recently downloaded it. I put it in a folder by itself because that's going to be an easy way to do this. Now, we're going to use PowerShell to do this using the certutil. So what you're going to do, make sure it's in a folder by itself. You're going to hold down the Shift button. You're going to hit the right click, and it's going to open up PowerShell window here. Now what you're going to type in is going to be certutil space minus hash file space. Now I have pre-copied the file name, and you're going to need to make sure that you have the extension on there also, okay? And then you're going to put a space, and I'm going to do an MD5 hash. Okay, now what we want to do is make sure that it matches an MD5 hash. Now I've actually kept these copied. Let's see, that's going to be the MD5 hash. Let's go ahead and pull this back up, bring this back down underneath of it, and you can see that it matches. Now they also published in SHA 256, so I'm going to go ahead and up arrow, and I'm going to go backspace here, and I'm just going to type in SHA 256. It's going to generate another hash, and here's the one for that one. Let me bring this up, and you will see that it matches also, okay? Now the reason we do this is to make sure that we got every single binary bit during download. There's another reason. It's also to make sure somebody hasn't injected malware into it. So if the hash doesn't match what's published on the website, delete. Do not use the program at that point.